New to YouTube, here's how to update your very first video. Hi, I'm Emma from Emmagraphy and I enjoy making quick tip videos for small businesses to help them with their online presence. And if you would like more of these quick tip videos, please sure to like and subscribe. Alright, congratulations on your YouTube channel. Here's how to upload your very first video. So let's go into YouTube. So make sure you're logged into Gmail or Google. I highly recommend that you have a business Gmail for your business and you'll have a free YouTube account with that. Then click on Google Apps, click on YouTube, click on your profile and go to YouTube Studio. Then we're going to click on Create, Upload Video, select your file. Okay, give it a good title, really think about the keywords and what your audience is searching for. Add in a description and use your keyword in the very start of the title. We can do more on that later. And then come down. I will just make a few spelling corrections to make sure it's in my Australian spelling. Okay, come down and click on upload thumbnail. I usually like to load my thumbnail as I go. So we can click on it here, upload thumbnail, and we'll just go through and find it. We've got a few happening here. This is it. Okay. We don't have a playlist, so no playlist, so that's okay. Come down, no, it's not for kids. I prefer to do that, otherwise you have to go into other things. I'm just going to click no here. Now I'm going to add some tags. So there's this great free rapidtags.io generator. Come here and put your keywords in here. The main keyword that you're going for. Click on copy tags. Come back over and paste them in. Select the language of your video. Here we go. Recording date is today. Put in your location, it might help. And then after that, just click on next. We can go in. I typically already have the end screen from my videos already there, so I don't need that. These are some other options that you can add to your video to optimize it. We can do another video on those at a later date, but for now we're just going to click on next and then go to next. And we want to make this one public. If you want it, you can make it private unlisted, so only people with the link can see your videos, but I want to make this public so everyone can get benefit from it. Then I'm going to click on publish. Okay, and then we'll just wait for it to process, but pretty much that's all ready to go. Click on close and we go back over to our content. Here's our video. It's probably going to still finish off. Oops, I've accidentally put it in twice, so let's delete this one. Click on that, delete video. Okay, that is how you update your very first video. Welcome to YouTube. Hope you enjoyed watching. That will just process and then it'll be all ready to go. There you go. Actually, it's already processed, so that's good. So if you want to send this link to a friend, which I do, so I'm going to copy the link and send that to her. That's all ready to go. So there's the first video. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.